Hi everyone! Happy Mother's Day, and today we are going to have donut mukbang! Let's see how much I can finish with all these donuts. From Krispy Kreme, we went to Krispy Kreme Fawkner just to buy these fresh donuts that's made today. And I'm gonna first try the Maltesers. It's super yum. Super yummy.
Can I try?
Now we'll try the tiramisu.
Let's go.
There's a filling inside the tiramisu.
Oh.
Like that? Now, let's try another donut.
This is the raspberry cheesecake donut.
Here's some. Okay.
Next one.
Caramel sliced donut.
There's a caramel filling inside. Joshua loves it too. Is it nice, John? Okay, we finished 4 flavors. Now we're going to the next box. Strawberry.
Yeah,
This is called the Simpsons donuts.
There's no filling inside. It's just strawberry toppings. The classic Oreo. Cookies and cream.
Ooh, that's my favorite one.
Okay, we'll do.
Okay, the next one.
Is this Fawkner?
This looks like Arnie the donut. What bite fit in?
You like it, Josh?
Oh,
It's so sweet.
Oopsie. What's nice with Krispy Kreme, especially with their fresh glazed donuts,
Happy Mother's Day.
it's so yum, it melts in your mouth. Have this one, Josh. Okay, now we're going to try their free box. This is their free box of four donuts in every dozen that you buy. This promo only runs from yesterday till today for Mother's Day. So if you can't make it today, then you can't have it. I'm gonna taste for you what it's like. Well, we know how the glazed donut tastes like. When it's fresh, it just melts in your mouth. And
Mommy, I have one question. Is the other
now
one
we'll try this pink heart. What's inside?
Jam.
Strawberry.
I thought it was jam.
Yummy. Oh yes, Daddy. I'm gonna upload this. And this one is a chocolate. So your 4 free donuts include the heart shape, the chocolate heart shape, and the strawberry heart shape. And this one's a chocolate. With the chocolate filling inside.
How about Joshua?
Joshua loves the glazed donut.
How about a raised donut?
So that's it.
Where's the raised donut?
The glazed donut.
And the raised donut?
This one is the best. The glazed donut just melts in your mouth. So fresh. It's so yummy. You can actually tell if the donut is freshly made. Because every time you eat it, try to differentiate it, Sam. You're eating that donut.
Yeah,
don't
it's the
you-
strawberry.
Try to eat this glazed donut. It's really yum. Because they just made that today. And when we bought it from the Krispy Kreme Fawkner, it's actually, it was still warm compared to the other donuts. This mommy's bonus donuts or the free donuts, I don't think they're freshly made today because their dough is a little bit hard. But I love it. I love Krispy Kremes ever since. And thank you, Krispy Kreme, for giving us 4 free donuts for every dozen that we buy. Okay, Josh, say thank you. Thank you for watching. We'll be back for another mukbang, yeah? Bye!
Bye.
Next video.
Sorry I wasn't in the video, but
Well,
I
you're
was
there
in
now.
the
You're there now. Say Happy
Yeah.
Mother's Day to everyone.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone around the world.